It's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing luxebox. Yep, finally got mine. Yay, yay. So if you don't know what luxebox is, it is every 3 months. It's $26. I think it works out to like $29 with taxes and stuff like that. I haven't received it, so this is my first time. I've gotten Topbox, which is a sister company to luxebox. So let's see if I get any repeats, or yeah, let's just get into it. Whew. High energy today. Woo. Alright. Did I show you the box? I think I did. But that is the top of it. It's actually like a really nice box. This is how it comes. And I did get this in my my top box, so it's Chapstick. It's probably who sponsors them. I'm not sure. So it just lists all the new chapsticks that have come out, and I actually really like the one that I got, which was the Daily Moisture. I got the vanilla. That's on the top one there. You could watch my other top box video to see that, but I've been enjoying it. It's been about a week and I've been using it every day, so I'm going to choose this really big one. Well, not really big, but okay, so this is the Hadaka Butterful Marula Buttercream. Oh, Marula. And there's like the Marula fruit that they make that drink out of. That's so yummy and good. And this is in citrus. Yeah, so they don't give anything about their products or how much they are. So I'm going to, if I can, I'm going to try to like list them on the side here. So this is applied to skin after shower and bath for spectacular results. Use along with Marula body oil and cream. Remember, water-based before oil. So again, do this and then your oil if you actually are going to do that. Did I say this is an all-over body? It actually doesn't say. I'm guessing this is a body. Oh, it smells like creamsicle. Ooh, I'm gonna have to try that out. I like it. So that's what it is. I don't know if I showed you. No, my game is off today. That's what it is, and it's a general size. Expires in 2022. Because I can't say it apparently. I need to go back to school. Okay. So the next thing I am seeing is a Nude by Nature Shimmering Sands Loose Eyeshadow. Something on this box. There we go. In Rose Sand. It's kind of interesting. Let's see what it looks like. It's supposed to be the color there. Loose one. I don't mind loose. I just find it like when you're putting it on, you constantly have to put stuff out like that. Ooh, that's a really nice bottle. Wow. And it's loose. It's kind of a different bottle for a loose. Oh. 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 Okay, yeah, it's definitely loose, but it comes like on a sponge. It wants to focus on my face. There we go. Okay, I'll try it. It's probably gonna get everywhere, but ooh, that's really pigmented. Wow, okay. I'm gonna have to remember that it just poofs everywhere. Could have done that one a little differently. Let's just see what it's like. It does it still slightly loose, like even when you put it on, you definitely have to blend it. Even put like a little water with the loose powders, and then it helps like with it sticking and stuff like that. So still a really nice, pretty color. So that was my second thing. Okay, my next one is a nail polish by Brune. And that's, oh, looks like that's the cover of that box. Broom. Never heard of it. Not like a big nail polish wear, if anybody's noticed. I hardly ever have my nails done. Oh. So it's showing like a silver color on the bottom there. But that's clearly a nude. That's nice. Yep, smells like nail polish. I'm just gonna try it on. It definitely will need 2 coats. But one without, one with. Can you tell? It's not bad, it's actually. I'd wear that. I might even put that on today. Okay, my next item is a Lancome Big Volume Mascara. Okay, so how adorable this is. So tiny. Oh my goodness. It's so little. I thought the other one I got from my Ipsy was little. But that's tiny. I'm not going to open this because I have 4 on the go right now. But I will come back to this and give that my honest review. Oh. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. 4-in-1. So probably like primer, setter. I can't think of the other 2. I'll look that up. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's look at this bottle. That is definitely full size, and I know this is probably going to be up in the 40s range price because Tarte is not cheap. That's just... Oh, it smells like orange creamsicle too. Huh. Let's just try this. Feels nice though. Wow, okay. So that's a really nice item to get in the box. Okay, I still have a few more items in here. Another clay mask by Nina. Made with pure Canadian glacial oceanic clay. That's cool, it's Canadian. Shake well, avoid eyes. Doesn't say how long to leave on. I will look this one up too. It's about halfway, you can see in the bottle, but have any of you ever heard of this or used it? Again, I'm not going to open this because I have a million clay masks going at the moment. Oh well, look at this. A repeat. Definitely not going to open this yet. We'll wait and see, but chapstick, again vanilla, natural moisture. Okay, so one repeat. I'm not totally sad because I mean I do like my chapstick. So okay, one more thing, and this is by Mana, Miracle Balm. This is a multi-purpose essential balm, deeply moisture and soothes dry lips, cuticles, and areas desired for additional moisture relief. Huh. Oh, well that's kind of cool. I'm liking, like, I got in my top box the Delilah oil, and I've been using that in this one, like here. You can't really see, but the hangnail was so bad and it hurt so bad, so I, like 3 nights and it's gone. It's totally gone, so the Delilah one is awesome. Okay, just try a little bit here. Oh, it's kind of got like a pink sheen to it. I mean, it's good for the lips. I'm not sure if I want my nails glowing like pink, but that's cool. my hand into my finger. It's almost dry, but... And that is a full bottle, so... Yeah. So, I'm pretty happy with what I got in this month's box. They definitely delivered. The most excited about this Tarte one, even though I do still again have a million primers and setters and stuff like that, but this one smells like creamsicle, so I mean, that's awesome. And oh yeah, and the hand cream that smells like orange creamsicle too, so apparently I need to have an orange creamsicle today. Ooh. Yeah, pretty happy. What did you guys get in your box? Was it different? I haven't seen too many like people that have done videos on luxebox this month, so I'm not sure if mine's different than other people's. So let me know down below in the comments what you got and what you thought of my box. For 26 bucks every 3 months, I'll probably continue with it and probably do some reviews on some of the well, these things get everywhere. Yeah, I'll do a review on some of these products, so I'm gonna do my nails, make them all pretty. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and stay tuned because I have more videos coming up. I have wanted to do a review on eyeliner, liquid eyeliners, so I'm going to be doing that. And if there's anything else that you want me to review that you've seen that you want to know about it, definitely leave me a comment below and I will try my best to get it out there. I try to be honest about the things that I've been using, so yeah. Anyways guys, press subscribe, press like, and leave me a comment because I love reading them. And we'll see you later guys. Bye.